To show you how we clean an abalone the old standard way, the way that I was taught years ago. There's other ways, but this is the way that I like, and I'm not saying anything else is wrong the way you do it. This is the way I've been taught, this is the way I do it. I'm going to start by showing you different sizes of abalone we have down here. This is the one that shall be cleaning. It's about 9 1/4. Nice ab, not a trophy. This is a legal 7-inch one. You can see the size, and these are very, very small. And this one's just under 11. This is a very large one, so you can see the difference in the sizes of them. So typically, the bigger the ab, a lot more meat. And what you need to do this job with, I'm going to scoot these out of the way here. You need ab irons, sharp knife, and an ab pounder. And I have 2 ab irons here. This one I will probably use. It's wider. Sometimes that's easier to shuck them out of the shell. This is the one that I actually dive with. It's a little thinner. They're all legal. This is 1 inch wide. And then you need a sharp, very, very sharp knife and an ab beater like I use. There's other ways to do it, but this is the way that I use it. So I'm going to start here and begin, and I will show you how to shuck it out of the shell here. So we're going to get started. I'm going to put this out of the way here, and I'm going to start and pop this out of the shell. I say this one's about 9 1/4. It's not big. I let them sit 24 hours out of the shell, out before I clean them somewhere, so they will actually relax. You don't have to do that, but I do it, and it makes them a little more relaxed. Anyway, you grab an ab iron, you go up against the shell and the meat, you push downward, and you can see it should snap out pretty easily here, and it did, because it was relaxed. And you just got to, ooh, it's got some pearls in it, Mama. This is a great one. Oh yes, ooh, look at that. What's an interesting shell here. I'll show you this one. This is a shell pearl. It's a new growth. It's not, this one isn't actually valuable, but it's a nice shell, and there's a little one here. And then these small ones in here, they're called actually blister pearls, and they make some jewelry out of those. I'll just put the shell aside, and then what I do is I start looking for pearls. And this is a gut. This will be in a gut pearl. This is how you look for them. You squeeze down the gut, and you look for any. You try to feel something in there that's hard, and that's normally a pearl. Let's see if we got one in here. Oh, we have got one that's just a little, almost a throwaway pearl, but I'll hang on to it. Abalone, if the actually gonad, which is here, is green, it's a female. If it's beige, it is a male. This one is kind of an odd shade, but I would say it's more green than it is beige, so this would be a female. So what I'm going to do now is clean the abalone.